Solve the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to one decimal place. So we've got 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. First thing you should do is lay out ax squared, the general form of a quadratic, plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then it's easy to see that a has to be equal to 2, b has to be equal to minus 5, and c has to be equal to minus 4. And then write down the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So substituting in, so it's minus b, so it would be minus 5 plus or minus minus 5 in squared. Make sure you put that minus 5 in squared into brackets, otherwise if you don't, you'll get minus 25 when you square it. Minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is minus 4. Again, carefully substitute in with brackets, being careful with the minus signs, all divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. Minus 5 is 5, plus or minus, minus 5 squared is plus 25. Minus 4 times 2 times minus 4 is plus 32, divided by 4. Now the common mistake here is to say that minus 5 squared is minus 25, and here you end up with a square root of 7 instead of 57. So we're going to have 5 plus or minus the square root of 57, all divided by 4. So either x is equal to 5 minus the square root of 57 divided by 4. Now the next most common problem is not to put brackets in using your calculator. You need to put brackets around this so that you get all of it gets divided by 4 instead of just the root 57. So brackets for the calculator. So that will give you on your calculator minus 0.637, and we're asked to give it to one decimal place, so that 3 has no effect on the 6, so one answer will be minus 0.6 to one decimal place. And then we need to repeat it for the other one. Instead of the minus sign here is plus. If you're careful here, but obviously use the brackets as well, you can use the replay button on the calculator and scroll back and change the minus there to a plus, and then press equals, and you're going to get 3.137, which to one decimal place is going to be 3.1 to one decimal place. The final answer is x is equal to minus 0.6 or x is equal to 3.1.